आमी 6% दरवाड करपाची सरकाराक शिफारस केल्या। ती करतकच आमकां 134.96 कोटी रुपया मेळटले, तरी आमकां 348 कोटी कमी पडटात। ते अर्थसंकल्पीय तरतुदी वांगडा ॲडजस्ट करतले, अशें मुख्य वीज अभियंते स्टीफन फर्नांडीस हांणी सांगले। JERCन दाखल केल्ल्या जन सुनावणे वेळार स्टीफन उलयतालो।
All the costs put together in this slide for the APR 2022-23, based on which the total revenue requirement is 2,893.48 crores. Reducing it through non-tariff income, we get a net revenue requirement as 2,864.13 crores. Now we are on the second part of today's presentation, that is ARR, aggregate revenue requirement for the year 2023-24, the next financial year. These are the same subtopics which we already covered in the APR, similar topics which are going to cover for the ARR. Again, the methodology used is JRC MYT Regulation 2021 notified in March 2021. Our entire petition is based on these MYT regulations. For the next year, the count of the consumers is 7,26,815. We have increased it to 3.25% over this year. The connected load 3,412 megawatt. The sale 4,566.98 million units. Again, the breakup, it has only increased by 3.25%. We are increased the units because the load has increased, the consumption has increased, the demand of Goa has increased. The rate only for power purchase cost is 3 rupees 90 paise. As of now, there is no overdrawal planned, no short-term power, no IX. But definitely, I'm sure with a lot of projects in TV, Ponda, and Verna, the major transformers going to be commissioned soon, and we will increase because a lot of load is coming basically in the northern coastal belt, and because of the Mopa new airport, almost 150 megawatt load growth is going to be witnessed. Therefore, we may have to go for IEX and short-term power purchase.